Joint bidding, collaborative working 2. If you are chosen as the lead partner, you will have the role and responsibility for meeting contract deadlines, targets, and be the main point of contact with the buying organisation. The lead partner is often required to take the leading role and responsibility for elements of the contract delivery, such as contract deadlines, targets, dealing directly with the contract lead, buying organisation. The lead partner, more often than not, will by default be required to take responsibility for financial, administrative and organisational functions on behalf of the consortium. Downsides to consortium joint bidding. Consortium and joint bidding can sometimes present challenges. There are some key issues to consider which reduce the potential for complications and difficulties. Here are some key considerations to make when selecting the key individuals for the consortium. Establish the role of the collaborative leader and who is best to lead the partnership. Effective collaboration requires excellent communication skills, an overriding ability to work closely with people, the ability to compromise or concede in certain situations. Collaborative leaders exhibit the following skills: visionaries, problem solvers, decision makers, T-shaped leaders. T-shaped leaders show a breadth of knowledge and connections across the business while also displaying a depth of expertise and understanding. How to establish a collaborative team. The success of any collaborative team is built on trust, trust, and trust. Genuine collaboration is based on the ability of people who are able to work effectively together. This is most effective when consortium partners trust each other and work well together towards a shared goal. Whilst there is no single approach or style to developing the partnership, a roadmap can be helpful in work through each stage of the collaborative process. We will now run through each stage. Selection. Establish the need. Choose the right partner. Make the process work. Transition. Build the framework. Get to know each other. Transact to earn trust. Maintenance. Do the basics well. Solve problems fast. Keep things fresh. Ending. Keep the relationships going. Remember the fundamentals. Keep communicating. How can the tender be completed effectively in collaborative fashion? When joint bidding in a consortium, the following facets should be considered. The single goal and purpose should be written down by all partners and used as its unified goal. The partner members must agree to roles and responsibilities before the tender is submitted, and these should be detailed in the joint bid. The consortium should protect its own interest by putting its own contract in place to manage and ideally cover items such as partnership mission, values, expectations, exchange of monies, voting rights, communication strategies, and the agreed action to be taken if the partnership should terminate for any reason. If the bid has been successful, a formal written contract will be agreed with contract leaders. If the bid has been successful, the partnership should consider creating an internal communication strategy to reaffirm the partnership and also marketing strategy to ensure that the partnership will communicate the contract and project messages to its audience consistently in a timely fashion.